In this video, we will learn how to use roundup function in Excel sheet. So let's start this in Excel sheet. I have here some amount 10,327 and percentage 13.70 percentage. I used here the formula to multiply this amount with this percentage and get this decimal amount. So I'm using here the roundup function to round off the amount. So I'm use first the roundup is equal to roundup. Okay, select the amount, comma, enter the 0 and bracket close. When you enter the 0, the amount is round off in add the one value in last amount of. So here you can see 1414, it's get the 1415. The 15 is adding in for one amount to get the 1415. When I used here the roundup function again and select the same amount and comma, use it here the -1 and bracket close, then I will get the 1420. Means here you see 1420. Here you see when you use the -1 in above amount is 1415. The last 5 is round off in 0. Okay, and in 1 is instead of 10 it's get 20 because it's adding the one amount in 1. So if I use the round function, I get 1410. Okay, when I use the -1, here I'm using the roundup function. It means I get adding the one amount and get the one amount in one, this one. So I get here the 2. So 1420. Okay, then I'm using here the roundup. Okay, select the same amount, comma, and use here -2 and bracket close. Here you see -2. Okay, 20 is round off here in above amount 1420 is 20 is round off here 00, and in 4 add the one amount is 5 because I'm using here round up amount, round up function, so is automatically round off in up level. So adding the one amount here in 4 and get the 1500. So again I'm use the same function here, round up and select the same amount and -3. Use here the -3. Here you see 5000, sorry, 500 is round off 00, and in 1 is automatically add here 1 is get the 2000. So hope you understand clearly. Thank you so much. If you like this, please subscribe my channel.